What if I told you that your first AI automation could make you money this week? Even if you've got 0 followers, no tech skills, and no idea what to sell yet. Sounds wild, right? But I'm not talking about building the next ChatGPT. I'm talking about something way simpler and way more profitable. Selling small, helpful AI automations that solve boring problems people hate doing. Thousands of freelancers, creators, and side hustlers are doing this right now. Quietly packaging AI and no-code tools and selling them as ready-to-use digital products. Today, I'm going to show you how to price them, where to sell them, and the smartest hacks to grow fast, even if you're just starting out. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, where we turn simple ideas into income streams using AI and automation. If you're into this kind of thing, working smarter, not harder, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and let's dive into the money part. Alright, so you built an AI automation. Maybe it sends personalized DMs, maybe it writes blog posts from a form, maybe it pulls reviews and creates branded social proof in seconds. That's cool. But now what? Let's talk about how to sell it. First, let's talk about pricing. This is where most people freeze. Should I charge $5, 500, monthly, one time? Here's the truth. There's no perfect price, but there is a smart way to think about value. So, here's a simple rule I use. Price based on the problem you solve, not the minutes you save. Let me explain with an example. Say you build an AI automation that helps realtors turn listing descriptions into social media posts instantly every week. You're not just saving them 30 minutes, you're helping them get more leads and look more professional, and that's worth way more. In this case, you could easily price it at $49 to $99 as a one-time download, or even $15 a month if it includes ongoing templates or improvements. Now compare that to a PDF summarizer that saves students 10 minutes per day. Cool tool, but low business impact means low price. Think $5 to $15. So here's the bottom line. Instead of focusing on how long your automation takes or how cool it looks, focus on the real-world outcome it delivers. That's what people actually pay for. Now, if you're wondering how much to charge, think of it like this. If you've built something small and simple, like a checklist generator, a daily planner, or a tool that spits out content ideas, that's typically in the $9 to $29 range. It's useful, but it doesn't solve a painful problem. Now, if your automation helps a business save time or make better decisions, like writing email replies, automating outreach, or generating proposals, you're now solving something way more valuable. In that case, you can confidently charge anywhere between $49 and $99, even as a one-time download. And if you've bundled a few tools together, added some branding, and maybe even built in a small onboarding flow or custom instructions, you're in a whole new territory. These are more like full systems than just single tools. At that point, charging $149 or more isn't just fair, it's expected. And here's a bonus tip. If it saves money or makes money, price higher. If it saves time or energy, price mid-tier. And if it's just fun or cool, think low ticket or even a lead magnet. Alright, next up, where the heck do you sell this? There are 3 levels. Let's break them down. Let's start with level 1, marketplaces. These are low friction, but you'll have less control. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Ko-fi are perfect to launch fast. They're free or cheap, easy to use, and they handle payments, downloads, and basic analytics. Your job? Upload your agent as a zip file or a Notion doc with instructions. Write a short sales page. Done. People are already making money with simple automations like AI-powered cover letter writers, tools that optimize resumes in just one click, curated libraries of ChatGPT prompts, and even little agents that help small businesses reply to online reviews automatically. These aren't massive, complicated tools. They're focused, helpful, and easy to sell, and many of them don't even show their face. It's all faceless, automated, and passive. Now, level 2, niche platforms. These bring more trust and more traffic. If your automation solves a problem for a specific audience, you can list it on AppSumo, Product Hunt, or LTD Hunt. These sites love tools that feel polished. So add a logo, a clean landing page, and a quick demo video. Imagine this. Someone launches an Instagram caption generator for coaches, lists it on AppSumo, and makes $4,000 in the first month, just from organic traffic. Totally doable with the right niche and positioning. And then comes level 3, your own store. This gives you full control and way higher conversion rates. Once you've validated your offer, build a branded site with System.io, Card, or even Notion plus Super. Why? Because now you can capture emails, build trust, upsell other agents, and run bundles or flash sales. This is where a real digital business starts. Now picture this. You've got your own little digital store. Inside it, you offer 5 powerful automations. One of them generates reviews automatically. Another sends out welcome emails to new clients. You've got a tool that pumps out TikTok content ideas, one that fixes boring headlines, and another that builds high-converting lead magnets in minutes. It's like a custom AI toolkit, and people in your niche will love it. Now you're not just selling automations. You're building a product ecosystem, and that sells better. Let's move to the juicy part, growth hacks. Because once your agent is built, you want sales, right? Here are 5 hacks that actually work. First, sell to your old clients. Did you ever build a landing page, design a logo, or write copy for someone? Message them. Hey, I just launched this new tool that automates something I know you deal with. Thought of you while building it. Want to give it a try? Boom. First user. Maybe your first sale. Second, list it in directories. You can share your automation on websites and communities where people are actively looking for tools like yours. Think directories like Future Tools, there's an AI for that, and indie hackers. Even Reddit has groups like Side Hustle or Entrepreneur Ride Along, where people love discovering useful automations they can plug into their workflow. Just make sure your listing feels helpful, not spammy. Third, create a short Loom video. Just 30 seconds showing your automation solving a real problem. No fancy editing, just show the result. Then post it on Twitter, Reddit, and LinkedIn. People love seeing things work. Fourth, bundle with a use case. Instead of calling it something generic like AI generator, give it a name that speaks to the niche, like real estate follow-up agent, or client offboarding email wizard, or even local bakery review booster. That makes it 10 times easier to sell. Fifth, share the problem before the tool. This is a copywriting secret. People don't buy tools. They buy solutions. So start your pitch with a pain point. Tired of writing follow-up emails manually? Still creating your Instagram captions from scratch? What if you could respond to 10 Google reviews in 2 minutes? Then you introduce your automation as the answer. Now, I know that was a lot of info, so here's the deal. If you're still watching, it means you're serious about turning your ideas into income. So, I put together something to make your first steps way easier. It's a premium step-by-step guide that walks you through the whole process, from choosing the right automation idea, to building it with no-code tools, packaging it like a real product, and actually selling it, even if nobody knows who you are yet. Plus, you'll get 3 customizable templates ready to plug in and launch. You'll find in the first pinned comment below. And hey, before you go, I want to know, what kind of AI automation would you build first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more AI income hacks, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Now go build it, launch it, and let's make a profit.